Ay mga Kabolites, Coach R. On location tayo since we need to vote for the elections. Kaya umuwi muna tayo dito sa province. Kunting pahinga. Kaya, against the sun lang. Sarap lakad-lakad sa beach. Pag-usapan natin itong upcoming women's volleyball finals between Lasal and so yeah, hirap maglakad. Babaw ng papa. Yung tingin nyo mananalo. On paper, lakas ng NU, no? Pero cannot discount the fighting spirit of Lasal. Sabi nga, the great wall of tough. So, sabihin yan, offense versus defense. Offense ang NU, sila Belen, sila Solomon. Yung ibang meters nila. Versus the great wall of tough. Provido, Del Castillo, si Ilay, si Ivana, and Angel kanina. Yan natin sino mananalo sa offense versus defense na yun. Pero magandang matchup yan. Abangan natin. So what should we expect sa Game 1 ng finals na? I expect NU to come out firing. Kasi last game, if you recall, yung FEU nila sa Final Four, down yan 2 sets, umabo lang 3-2. Pero atin-atin lang, muntik na natalo talaga yun. So ayaw na nila maulit yun. Ang mahirap naman talaga humabol from 2 sets down. So expect them to come out strong and try to dominate. Siguro kulang na lang manindak sa court. No? Pero ganyan naman talagang strength ng inyo, kayang-kaya nila talaga yung kalaban. Na ano lang siguro last time, for confidence or siguro masama lang ang gising o laro lang. No? So ganyan talaga it happens. For Lasal naman, yung season ng Lasal on and off no? So they started out strong, tapos sa gitna and towards the end, ang daming losses no? Nag-pile up. Umabol lang nung Final Four nila sa UST, yung twice to beat. Buti na lang nanalo sila ron. Kasi if you give UST one more chance, mahirap yan. So for Lasal naman, ang tingin natin, they will still continue their defense. Yan sila nakabawi dito sa second round ng UAP. And tutuloy nila yan. No? The problem lang is if you focus too much on defense, ano na yung opensa? There are times na si Angel lang ang consistent sa Lasal. Si Ivana hindi masyado. Although may marami rin games na magaling. So, someone has to step up on the offensive side also. No? Kasi hindi pwedeng puro Angel lang. No? What if lang, na-injure si Angel or masama ang laro. Sinong papalit? Sino mag-step up? So, those are the keys to the game. No? So, if Lasal solves that problem on the offensive end, may pag-asa. No? Even in paper, malakas ang NU, bilog ang bola, and may pag-asa talaga yan. Although mahirap taluin ng NU talaga. In their last 2 meetings, puro talo, in dominating fashion. Itong season 87, laging talo ang Lasal sa NU. Pero finals na to, you can throw everything outside or you can throw everything away. Ibang usapan na pag-finals. So yun, I think that's the key to the game. Mahirap mag-fearless forecast, pero sabihin ko na lang, whoever wins game 1 will win it all. And hopefully it's your school, kung anyone kayo or kasama. For now, vote wisely guys, and ingat kayo sa elections. See you after elections.